Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street. Landed the heinous gangbangers in cold heat. In Los Santos, neighbors get no sleep, beefing with it.
What's up everybody? Today I wanna do the same trick with the matches. The small explosion. What you will need is 2 matches box, hammer or something which you're gonna hit it, and I'm using scissors today. So what you wanna do, you're gonna take your your matchbox, you wanna throw this away. Then you wanna cut these out. I cut it one, and now the second one too. You can keep this as a ruler or something. I don't need it. Then what you wanna do is you wanna put one like this, and you wanna take matches. I'm gonna use 4 matches. So I'm gonna put them like just like this, so they're nicely. And when you're ready, just hit it, and you had a small explosion. This was kind of nice, and you can repeat the process. Let's try with the 2 match. Let's try, will it work or not? Can you see, guys? Yeah. Nah. Didn't work too good. Yeah, but it was kind of nice. You can see this is from match. Yeah, that was pretty much it. See you in the next video. Bye.